Hi there, welcome to today's video. We're going to talk about an age-old friend, the one that lights up our nights in the sky. It's always there, even when you barely notice it. It can spark wonder, curiosity, and a sense of mystery. Get ready for 5 surprising facts about the moon that might just make you say, wow. If you're interested in the topics on my channel, start following me for more content. Now sit back and relax, we're starting. You probably know the moon is beautiful, but it's fascinating for more than just looks. It shapes our planet in ways we often take for granted. And those phases you hear about, full moon, new moon, they're not just poetic names, they're part of a complex dance around Earth. Each year, the moon moves about 3.8 centimeters away from Earth. Tiny, right? But go back millions of years and it would have looked huge, almost twice as big as today. So close it would feel like you could reach out and touch it. Back then, total solar eclipses were far more dramatic. And far in the future, the moon will look so small that total eclipses will vanish. Amazing to think something so familiar is always changing. Apollo astronauts reported something strange. The dust sticking to their suits had a unique smell. Burnt gunpowder, metal, like a campfire. Out there with no air, you wouldn't smell a thing. But inside the spacecraft, it filled the cabin. The scent comes from tiny glassy particles, created by endless micrometeorite impacts every hour. You'd think there's no rust on the moon, no oxygen, no water, but NASA found traces of iron oxide in 2020. Rust. How? Scientists think tiny amounts of oxygen from Earth's atmosphere, combined with microscopic comet ice, create conditions for very slow oxidation. Imagine standing on the quiet, empty lunar surface, and yet everything shakes under your feet. A gentle, mysterious force you wouldn't expect. Moonquakes happen, but not like on Earth. They're caused by the moon cooling down. As its surface contracts, cracks form, releasing tension. These quakes could actually knock someone off balance. Here's something truly fascinating. The moon is older than Earth, a remnant of a cataclysmic event that still lights up our nights today. Apollo rocks show the moon is around 4.51 billion years old. Earth, about 50 million years younger. Long ago, a Mars-sized object collided with young Earth, breaking off massive debris. That debris started orbiting Earth, slowly coming together to form the moon we see today. So next time you look at the moon, remember, it's not just a calm nightlight. It's a distant time traveler, metallic scented, Earth's older sibling, slowly drifting away. Which fact surprised you the most? Got any others in mind? Drop them in the comments. And if you liked this video, I would be happy if you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos you might enjoy. For example, about cat allergies. Why exactly do we have them and why cats aren't really to blame for them? The second video I recommend you watch is about searching for life in space. What telescopes are used to do this and what they've already discovered. And the third video is about a black hole. What exactly is inside, where does it lead, and how flying around it could be used as a time machine. I'll put links to all the videos in the description. You can find all the facts in English in this playlist, and check my videos with slow walk, chill out music.